How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. We have Bitcoin crashing right now. It just fell to 68,400, and I realize some of the OGs will be like, this is no big deal for Bitcoin. But a lot of newer people are saying, hey, we're just at 72,000. Why'd we fall 4,000, maybe $3,000 within a few minutes? I want to explain what's happening, give my thoughts on the market right now. Is this something to be concerned about? If you don't mind, hit subscribe. Turn on the bell notification underneath the video so you can see future videos just like this one. Also, if you want to trade crypto, you can check out the link to Margex underneath the video. There you can get set up in just a few seconds and you can start trading cryptocurrency. They also have a big book of meme giveaway right now, actually an airdrop. So if you trade more on the platform, you get more book of meme tokens up to $5,000 worth. Okay. So definitely check this out. This is the time to be doing this. Now, Roaring Kitty just got done with his live stream. At the peak, there were about 650,000 to 700,000 people watching. I actually I did a live stream at the same time, and I actually covered, like, at the end of the live stream, what Roaring Kitty did, what he talked about, why the market was taking this as a negative sign, and what I think GameStop should do moving forward, which is I think they should actually go and buy a significant amount of Bitcoin because they just raised $3 billion, or they announced that they're going to raise it. Now, did that cause the crash in the market? Well, who knows? There could be a little bit of volatility from this. Some people thinking that they were going to get into more degen times, right? That we could be seeing something crazy happening soon with GME, that we are going to go back into 2020, 2021 type craziness in the stock market. But GME actually fell after the live stream and during the live stream. But I don't think that's the biggest thing pushing down the market right now. I think what's actually happening is liquidations. We had $255 million worth of longs liquidated in the last hour. Okay, this pushes down the market. And I've been doing some videos over the last day talking about market manipulation on Bitcoin, what's actually happening. Are the ETFs trying to keep the price down? I think a lot of that still holds true. But at times like this, when we see $250 million worth of longs liquidated, that causes the price to go down pretty quickly. Now, at the same time, we could have ETFs manipulating the price down. Maybe there's something happening in the background to cause the price to go down so that they can buy more, basically, so there's more liquidity. It's not just Bitcoin either. If we go over to CoinMarketCap, let's take a look. The whole market is down. We have Ethereum down 4.6%, BNB down about 5%, Solana down 8%. Now, the general market, just the general stock market, that is down as well today. The NASDAQ went from positive to now down about 0.4% at the time of this recording. So the general stock market's falling down a little bit too. Part of this could be due to some of the news as well from Citibank. They are expecting, let me scroll down to it. Well, maybe I didn't actually like it, but they said that they are expecting rate cuts to be pushed back a little while as well. So they were expecting rate cuts in July. Now they're expecting them in September. Keep in mind, the market is still fundamentally bullish in my opinion. Yes, $282 million worth of longs will cause the market to fall down. But think about what's happened over the last couple days and over the last couple months. Mild the Shooter goes through it here. Massive inflows, 105 million, 887 million, 488, and then 218 million over the last 4 days. Massive amounts of buying from the ETFs. Robinhood is acquiring Bitstamp, I think, for a really good price. But this just shows more money flowing in to buy not just crypto, but crypto-related companies. We have the ECB and Bank of Canada cutting rates for the first time in 4+ years. We have Binance resuming MasterCard payments for crypto. We also have, just if you look outside of this week, we have the ETH ETF being approved. Was that last week? We have a political shift. Remember, a year ago, we had Operation Choke Point 2.0. Now we're getting a lot of politicians coming out pro-crypto. Celebrities launching meme coins, bringing new people into crypto. Some people don't like it, though, because they think it's a bit of a money grab. But the new meme coins do bring people into crypto, or the celebrity coins. We had a good May, even though a lot of people think that you should sell in May and go away. And yeah, this is one of the best performing times typically for the markets. So it'll be interesting. It'll be interesting to see what happens. But personally, I think Bitcoin is set up really well. Like, okay, we have gotten rejected. I've said over the last few days, I really want us to break above this trend line. So if we scroll out here, I really want us to break convincingly above this trend line up here to new all-time highs. But just because we've gotten rejected 4 times, the more times though that we hit this, the weaker it gets. Now we're down at 69,000. I'm not worried. Okay. I think of it as either we go up to new all-time highs or we consolidate longer. So either you're worth more or we consolidate longer, we get more strength in Bitcoin, or third option, we fall down and you get Bitcoin at a cheaper price. Okay. Win, win, win. I think this will be short-lived. Honestly, if I had to bet, if someone was holding a gun to my head and said, where do you think Bitcoin is going to go in the next week? My guess is we swallow this dip up. I think it's just some liquidation, some funny stuff that's happening behind the scenes. But there's just so much buying. There's so much buying. And how do the ETFs buy more? Well, they buy when people are selling. They buy a lot of Bitcoin when people are willing to sell, because otherwise they push up the price too much. So they're probably buying like mad before the market closed here today. They're probably doing a bunch of buying. Let me know your thoughts though. We'll know in a couple hours. I'll cover it too when the time comes. Now moving on. One thing that I want to mention, this is a meme coin. It's risky. It's something that I hold though. I bought a little bit. FJB, the meme coin on Solana. They just announced, first of many announcements, FJB is going to go multi-chain once they hit $10 million market cap. We are always forward thinking and know this will set us up for success in the future. Then they give their Telegram. I'll leave a link to this underneath the video. Some people get all up in arms when you talk about politics, but most people don't like Joe Biden. Even the people that vote for him, most of them don't like him. So I think this is a meme coin that we can really rally behind, right? Because it is, it's applicable to a lot of people, right? They do not like Joe Biden. So if you do want to buy this meme coin, it's over on Solana. You can buy it on Jupiter. Definitely check it out if you're interested. Like I said, I do hold a position in it. It's not 100% my portfolio. It's not 50% my portfolio. It's a meme coin, so I position it accordingly. Let me know your thoughts, though, on all this underneath the video. Let me know, what do you think about Bitcoin falling? Thank you so much for watching. Again, you can check out the link to Margex. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.